It's Miss Taline here, and what room are we in? We are in the blue room. My friends, today I decided I wanted to do something fun with you guys, an activity about things that I found in blue room, and I will show you. And I want us to talk about sinking and floating. Now, for this activity, you need a clear, it could be a basket, a tub, whatever. You see here, this is just like a little container with some water. And I found some objects from the classroom, and I will show you. Now, when we put some of these objects in the water, they're either going to go boop, 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 come all the way down, or they're going to stay on top. If they go all the way down, that means there's something called gravity, and it's a force. It's something that pulls them down, and that means it's heavy, so it comes down. But if it doesn't go down and stays on top and it just floats, that means it doesn't have enough weight. So the weight, it's lighter. Now, sometimes it's tricky. When you pick up something heavy and you drop it in water, you think it's going to go all the way down, but it surprises us. So let's check out some of these cool things I found around the blue room. Are you ready? Here we go. So the first thing I found is this purple bell pepper. Is this purple? No, Miss Taline, this is green. Now, I'm going to drop it in. Ready? Look, it is floating. So it stayed on top. It did not sink. Let's see what else. I found this gold swirly seashell. Look at this. Now, let me see. Are you ready? We're going to drop it in. Look, that seashell sunk. It went down. It was heavy. Now, I'm going to pick up this green pasta. And it's a little pasta that we colored here in blue room. And it's the color green. So I'm going to drop it in. Ready? Look, that was so small, but it sank. It went all the way down to the bottom. I thought it was going to float. Now, let me see. So I found this red triangle here. It's wood, and I think it's going to sink. What do you guys think? My friends, it's floating on top. Look, it did not sink. Wow, let's try more stuff. Now, I found these two seashells that were attached to each other. Super cool. All right, let's see, sink or float. That one sank too. It went all the way to the bottom. So far, we have 2 items on top and 3 things that are sinking. Now, here is a cool blue and yellow car. Vroom, vroom. Let's see what's gonna happen with this one. Oh, that one just sank and it went upside down. What a silly, silly car. All right, I have 3 more things, my friends. Now, I have 1 more shell. I wanted to try different shells to see. So this shell is flat and it's like a semicircle, and let's see what happens with this one. That one sank too. All 3 of my shells sank. It did not float. Now, we have Mr. Egg here. He's happy. And Mr. Egg, we're going to see what happens to him. Do you think he will sink or do you think he will float? My friends, he's floating. He's staying on top. He is heavy, but it didn't go. The water, he stayed above water. Isn't that cool? And my last thing is this yellow pasta. I wanted to try it and see if it's any different. Nope, that one sank too. My friends, come look at all my stuff here and how it is sinking and it's floating. Some of my stuff are sinking on the bottom because the gravity or the weight is pulling it down, and some of my stuff are staying on top, and that means it's floating. Sometimes when you go swimming in the pool, some of us know how to float backwards like this on our backs, and some of us don't, and we go down. But that's okay. We practice. Did you have fun in this activity? You can find things around your house. Make sure you ask your mommies and daddies before you drop anything in water so nothing breaks or gets hurt. And you could try and see what sinks or floats. Alright, friends, have a good one. Bye.